Hello everyone and welcome to Coin Engineer. Today I will show you an amazing airdrop opportunity from Sui Network. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump straight into our video. Today we will mint Capy NFTs using Sui wallet. If you don't have a Sui wallet or don't know how to use it, you can watch our Sui tutorial video. You can find the video from the cards. After you watch our tutorial video and set up your Sui wallet, you will need DevNet tokens. For this, click on the Sui wallet icon here and click request Sui DevNet Sui tokens. As you can see, 0.05 Sui received and we got our Sui tokens. Now we will mint some Capy NFTs with this DevNet tokens. If you can't get tokens with this method due to the traffic on the network, just open up Sui's Discord server, then open up DevNet faucet channel, copy your Sui wallet address, then write down !faucet and paste your wallet address here. Just copy your wallet address here, write down !faucet and then paste your wallet address, then hit enter. And as you can see, it says 5 test Sui objects are heading to your wallet. Now let's check our wallet. And as you can see, we got our 0.05 Sui. Now we have 0.1 Sui. So let's mint our Capy NFTs. To do that, open up Capy.art. As always, you will find all the links in the description box below and also on the comment section. Then click on wallet link and connect your wallet. As you can see, our wallet is connected. Now scroll down and here you can see 4 different Capy holiday gift boxes. Just choose a random one. If the buy button isn't available for you, just reload the page and then try again. Pick a random one. I will choose this one and click on buy. Then approve the transaction from your Sui wallet. So as you can see, we bought our first holiday gift box. Now let's open this and see which Capy we're gonna get. So I hit open and again approve the transaction from your wallet. And as you can see, this is the Capy I've got for my gift box. You can see all of its properties: the pattern cheetah, the main coral, the secondary white. The special property that my Capy has is antlers. So we bought our gift box and opened it. Now we will buy some accessories. So to do that, open up Capy Holidays, scroll down to this part, and you can see Capy Holiday Accessories. Now you can buy any of these. I will just buy this one. As I said, you can buy any one of these you liked, or you can buy all of them. So as you can see, we bought the holiday coat. After you bought your accessory, hover over on my collection and choose Cappies. Then choose the Capy we just got from our gift box. As you can see, it says add item, holiday coat. So click on this and again approve the transaction from your wallet. So as you can see right now, we added this accessory to our Capy. Now after you use all the accessories you bought, go ahead and take a screenshot of your Capy. Now let's open up Twitter and see the details of the Sui Airdrop. Now let's have a look at the contest rules. So as you can see from the example here, you will need to write a background story for your Capy and share it on Twitter with Capy Holidays hashtag. You can get inspirations from this example, but make sure to write a story that is completely unique. Don't try to copy other people's stories, because if you do, you will definitely lose. And let's have a look at the rules of this contest and our possible rewards. Just scroll down to this part, and as you can see, to participate, along with the screenshot of your Capy, include a name and backstory in a single tweet. The owners of the 10 Cappies with the best name, plus the backstory, as selected by the team behind Cappies, will receive special Capy merch and 200 Sui tokens after mainnet launch. So as you can remember from our Aptos videos, Aptos hit $10 after its launch. So for example, if Sui can hit $10, this reward will be equal to $2,000. Additionally, the owners of the 20 Cappies with the most likes from the community will be entered into Capy Holiday Bracket, where the community will vote for their favorite Cappies over the course of 2 days. The owners of the 5 Cappies that receive the most community votes will receive Capy merch and 1,000 Sui tokens after mainnet launch. The remaining 15 will receive 100 Sui tokens each after mainnet launch. And also, up to 100 players will be selected as honorable mentions and will also receive an invitation to participate in the Sui Token Community Access Program. And keep in mind that only non-US participants are eligible to win Sui tokens or invitations to the Sui Token Community Access Program. Sui tokens will only be awarded following successful mainnet launch of Sui network. And you can see all the details from this blog. And as always, you can find the link to this blog in the description box and also on the comment section of our video. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And also, make sure to join our Telegram groups from the links in the description box below to get notified of the latest updates and breaking news. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.